they have the tendency to damage the lungs, they have the tendency to cause infiltrates, they have the tendency to cause residual lung damage, fibrosis. So patients will have a great difficulty in breathing, they will be oxygen dependent, and in few cases they will progress to acute respiratory distress syndrome, wherein the patient has to be kept on a mechanical ventilator also, because this is a disease which is now rampant and it is commonly causing a lot of problems in our society. And the best part of this disease, it can be treated with a single drug if identified at an early stage.